Hi, it's Nathan from Geometry Gym, and today I'm going to go through some new features we've implemented into the range of Geometry Gym structural analysis plugins for Rhino and Grasshopper to aid the ability to import, convert, and repair of IFC files into resulting structural analysis output. This is to aid the automated transfer to structural analysis from multiple sources such as Revit or Tekla. More and more engineers will receive a 3D model with geometry from an architect or maybe something that has been produced in-house by a technician prior to even starting any 3D structural analysis. You also might be in the boat where you have received an extremely complex shop detail-like model which you'll need to create a structural analysis of to complete the construction engineering calculations. The challenge of converting models that are drawn in 3D prior by an architect, structural technician, or shop detailer is that they generally do not have the structural analysis model in mind and is often a significant challenge to convert these models into something meaningful to an engineering application without a lot of manual correcting and manipulation. And then also tediously going back through to set section properties, materials, and the like. In this video, we'll be converting an IFC model produced from Tekla to SAP structural analysis application using Geometry Gym components in Grasshopper. In the following videos, we'll be using Rhino and Grasshopper to help guide the model repair process as well as automatically set restraint locations. You may not be able to get the model repair process 100% every time, but if you can save a bulk amount of time using these tools, then the manual manipulation and additional time required to completely rebuild a model from scratch should be significantly reduced. If you found this tutorial through YouTube, I recommend that you go to the technical documentation at technical.geometrygym.com and browse to the Learn section to download all the files associated with each tutorial. Here you can also find a transcript. There is a link at the bottom of this page for this website. We'll also be adding a number of other video tutorials here in the coming months, so please do check back here from time to time for new content. If you have not downloaded any Geometry Gym plugins before, please go to the downloads page at geometrygym.com. For this tutorial, you are required to download and install GG Rhino IFC and GG Rhino SAP. We also always generally recommend the installation of Booleand as well, but this is not 100% required for this demonstration. If you need to pause this video and watch the video on installing Geometry Gym plugins and following the trial request procedure, please do so now. If you do not have access to SAP, then you should be able to use any of the other structural analysis plugins to complete the demonstration. This tutorial does expect that you know the basics of both Rhino and Grasshopper. However, does not use complex techniques associated with either program to function. If you're completely new to Rhino and Grasshopper, I would suggest completing an introduction course to each of these programs. If you need any help throughout the tutorial, you can comment below or contact support@geometrygym.com.